Hey folks, this is Nathan. I'm with Smart Receipts support team. This video is going to be the getting started with the Apple iOS version of our app, currently version 5.8, which was released this month, July 2020, 25. Okay, so let's get started here. And get the screen up. Okay, so on the Smart Receipts app, you'll want to sign in. And if you are not signed in, to get to the menu on the Smart Receipts app, just tap the three lines in the top left, and then you'll see the menu for the app. Sign out, you could just tap sign out. I'm already signed in, but to sign in, you just tap that box at the top there where it would say sign in instead of sign out. And then you just put in your email address in the box, follow the prompts. We'll email you a code for the password. We don't support putting passwords on accounts. We'll email you a code. And then on this menu, you'll find some other options if you're a pro subscriber. Under this menu, you would have your option for the annual or monthly subscription. You can always just tap that X in the top left to get out of there. Make sure if you're a pro subscriber, you get access to data backup and recovery. Make sure the account sync account is switched on. It'll tell you the last time we received data from your device and when it was uploaded. Let's see, automatic feeder. These are your available options here. You can top off those switches anytime. And then you go to settings. You have more settings for a pro subscriber. General settings, you want to check all these out. And then let's see, PDF, you got your image quality. You can make this will increase the report size, but you got this slider here. You have some additional options. I encourage you to check all these out. Find out the latest version of the app we're on. Go to About, currently 5.8. Let's see, camera settings. You can set your max camera height and width. That would be the image quality. You could change that. Okay, but now the basics of the app. We've added some new navigation features at the bottom. If you tap this here in the bottom left, that takes you to your receipts list for that report. You're already currently in the what I call the April report. If you want to change the report you're in, you can choose the drop down below the search box, and you can pick a report that way. And then it changes to the January report. You can also click the navigation icon next to the purple and white plus symbol. That'll take you to your list of reports. You can go back into a different report. All right, now we're back in the April. Say you want to just sort by meals. We now, below the search box, we have the category. Let's see. Meals. and it'll only show receipts dealing with meals. If you want to get that filter off, just choose category. Oh, wait. Sorry. Oh, just make sure there's nothing selected. If you just uncheck any of your previous selections, you'll get back to how it was without doing any of the filters below the search box. You want to generate a report just for, just for meals under the calendar, under the search box, under the category dropdown, meals. There's only 2 receipts here. You want to generate the report for that. Tap the 3 dots with the lines in the bottom right of the app. And it looks like you can only export a CSV file type report for this. So we'll go back. Let's do this. Okay, if we filter this way by the we can't generate for tap the 3 dot the dot in the bottom of the report. Then in the bottom of the app, tap the 3 dots in the lines. It'll show you the report. It'll take a moment to generate. All right, once it generates, you can scroll and review the report. You could choose print. Well, next to where it says PDF, the first icon you got is either horizontal or vertical. Then the next icon next to that would be the printer if you want to print. The next icon would be another navigation icon with 3 dots and lines. You could email this by choosing the mail app, or you can copy the link to it and you can share the PDF that way. That's how to generate a report. Now we'll jump back to the basics. We'll go to the list of reports, create a new report so you can start logging receipts in that report. We'll go, put in the report name, choose your start and end date. I'm going to recommend that if you're trying to do a report, say you're setting up July for next year, put in the end date first and then the start date. Other than that, the app might throw out an error. You can add comments. Done. Okay, we got our new report here. We can go into it. All right, we want to log our first receipt. Hit the purple and white plus sign. You want to do a text only. There you go. Give it a date. So we'll say that. Now it assumes the tax based on the percentage in your settings under tax. Currency, we'll call this airfare. If it was reimbursable, we check that box. Hit done. There's your first receipt. If you see the purple and black cloud icon with a check, it means it's uploaded to our servers. That's for pro subscribers only. Again, free version users, you will have the basic use of the app. There'll be no OCR scanning or data backup or recovery. Basically, you can enter receipts and you can generate the reports. That's it. Okay, another way to enter a receipt is with an image. So we'll go, you have these three options. Take it with your camera, go into your gallery, which is the Photos app, or search your files. I'll just choose gallery. We'll just grab this. Make sure you can adjust this however you need. Once it checks out, hit done. Now you'll do the same thing. Give it a name, give it a price. Assumes the tax based on the percentage you have in your settings. And once you complete the fields, there you go. There's your first receipt with an image. You can go on your receipts list, you could tap that receipt, then tap the image in the top left to review the image. All right, that's good to go. See if you're in that receipt in that image and you want to change the image. Little camera icon on the bottom left. Tap it, gallery. We'll use my dog here. Done. Image is now changed. You go back. Well, actually, just click the check mark at the bottom right to confirm. Resave the receipt by hitting done. There you go. All right. Let's see. Pay attention to the cloud icon with the check mark. Purple black means it's synced to our servers. Gray and white means it's not synced. Or yeah, gray, white, and black. All right, last way to enter a receipt. You can scan and you can have it pre-filled. I'm going to advise, try not to crinkle your receipts. Try and flatten them as much as possible. And then hold your device over. All right, if you're satisfied with that, you can mess around with this, get it real perfect if you want. PDF files sometimes cause errors with the app. So if you're having an error with a PDF file, try using an image or screenshot instead. But for this one, we're going to hit next. We're going to hit done. Now, this is kind of faint. If you were doing multiple receipts, you could hit yes, which we'll just do here so you can get an idea. We're just going to hit the button. We're going to hit next. We're going to hit done. We're going to hit no. Okay. So right now it's processing the two receipts at the bottom. Now you notice that indicator that says one new receipt for review. Hold on, it should update to 2. All right, now it says 2 receipts for review. Tap that, and you can either confirm or you can edit these. All right. 2531, tax is accurate. We'll just call it lunch. There we go. Give it a category. All right, now on this no name one, we don't have to confirm this. We don't want to keep it. So what we can do is swipe to the left and delete it from your receipts for review. Because we did an accident and just took a picture of the desk instead of a receipt. All right, so there's your list of receipts in your new expense report. Again, we have these new navigation filters. And, feel free to untap any and then get back to your normal list of reports. The only thing is, okay, you're on your list of reports, or excuse me, you're on your list of receipts. Again, that's the bottom nav icon on the bottom left. To get to your reports, it's the new navigation icon on the right side of the purple and white plus mark. You'll have to tap that and then go into your newly created report. On the navigation drop-down underneath the search box, keep it on the name of that report, or you're going to get your whole list of receipts. So if we untap that, it now gives us a list of receipts for every report you have. So again, I tap the icon on the bottom right next to the purple and white plus mark. I went into our newly created expense report. This way it just shows us the receipts from this new report. And again, if you want to generate a report, it's the three dots with the lines at the far right. Choose your report layout, then tap the three dots and the lines in the bottom center again, the purple and white one. And then you'll get your option to print, the three dots and the lines to email it. Now, if you have any questions, we're always available at support at smartreceipts.app. Again, my name is Nathan with the support team, and we appreciate your time.